Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off this sign on now, how you can do that on your BandLab app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you, sorry, I'm go back. So you click here on your photo here, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just go above this sign settings, click on it, and you come to this list here. You click here on notifications. So then you come to a notifications list, you just waiting to open video here. It's going to take a time video here to open. So when it's going to open video, all you have to do, so usually it's going to take a time here. You click here on projects here, then it's going to show for you list like this. You come to a band member creator creates new projects, clicking this sun or this color, like you see color, it's going to turn off now. Then can you turn off it for mi2, so for notifications of course. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.